Starting with question number 5. This is the diagram given in question number 5. There are this diagram is made up of two figures. This is a triangle and this is a rectangle. The sides of the triangle are given and the length and breadth of the rectangle is given. Who's the breadth? This is the breadth, which is actually 7/6 centimeters, and this is the length, which is 2 and 3 by 4 centimeters. Now, what this is given, now what we have to do? Find the perimeters of triangle ABE, then the rectangle BCDE. So we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABE, then rectangle BCDE. So first we find the triangle, then we find the rectangle. So as we all know, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all sides. So perimeter of triangle, this is the sign of triangle ABE. ABE is equal to what? Sum of all sides. So how many sides it has? 3 sides. So we are going to sum all those. That is 5/2 plus 2 and 3/4. The second side, and the third side is 3 and 3/5. They are in mixed. We'll change it into fraction. 2 4s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, denominators are not same. We have to make the denominators same. Nothing is common. Here it is common, but here it is not common. So it is better to find the LCM. So we find the LCM. So it is actually 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. That means we are going to multiply 20 here, here, here. So 5/20, 11 into 20/4, 18 into 20/5. Now we cut and write, we divide the new. Here you can see I have multiplied the LCM to all the fractions. So 2 and 20 get divided, 10 is left. 4 and 20 get divided, 5 is left. 5 and 20 get divided, 4 is left. Now whatever is left out, that we'll write. What is left? 5 into 10 upon LCM plus 11 into 5 upon LCM plus 18 into 4 upon LCM. 5 tens are 50 upon LCM means 20. 55 upon 20. Then 8 fours are 32. 4 ones are 4. 5 6 72 upon 20. Now we add. So इस side में we'll write 177 upon 20 centimeter, or you divide 177 upon 20. So it will be 2 8s are 160. So it will be 8 and 17 upon 20 centimeter. This is the first one. Now we'll find the perimeter of the rectangle. Here you can see I have written perimeter of rectangle BCDE, 2 into length plus breadth. So I have written the length and the breadth. Now we solve. First we convert it into fraction. 2 4s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 11/4 plus 7/6. You cannot make them same. You cannot multiply anything to make them same. So it is better to find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 6. 2 2s are 3s are. So into 3 will give you 12. Now you tell me Why we are not interchanging and multiplying? Because there is common, something is common in between them. What is common? 2 is common in between them. That is why we are not interchanging and multiplying. Otherwise it will give extra answer to us. Okay, a bigger, little bit bigger. But if you do it, it is not wrong. After that you can cancel and write. So here we multiply 12. Again we multiply by 12. Then we cancel. 11 into 3 upon the LCM plus 7 into 2 upon the LCM. 2 into 11 3s are 33 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12. 2 into 33 into 14 you do 47 upon 12. 2 and 12 will get cancelled. So it is 47 upon 6. Now 47 upon 6 you do the division. 6 sevens are 42. So it is 7 and 5 by 6 centimeter. So this gives us the perimeter of both rectangle and triangle. Now whose perimeter is greater? Now whose perimeter is greater means we need to compare the perimeter of both the triangle and the rectangle. So here we have to compare the two perimeters of the triangle and the rectangle. So if we cross multiply here, if we cross multiply, that means 177 is multiplied by 6 and 47 is multiplied by 20. 6 sevens are 42, 6 sevens are 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 4, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 2 sevens are 14, 2 4s are 8, 9 and 0. So which side is greater? This side is greater? Yes. So 177 upon 20 is greater than 47 upon 6. Hence, perimeter of triangle is greater. This completes question number 5.